Hey, 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 look. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate you stopping by. All right, so this is what I got for you today. We got you got your buddies. You guys are playing on wipe day. Maybe you're not, maybe whatever. You're looking for a nice little base to plop down, whatever. This is your base. Look, this is it. You build triangles. They're half the cost of a regular foundation, of a square foundation. Yes, the utilization of a square is far exceeds a triangle. But, however, now that we have the barrels, the upright vertical barrels, uh, these things are amazing. Okay, they now you got no problems now. Well, you do, but still. Um, what I want you to see is that the bunker base has now been upgraded. Um, and I don't know why I just did that, so let's just go ahead and ignore that. I'm just gonna go boom. All right. So you and your buddies, you get about 5,000 stone or whatever. You go do a little recycle room. Boom. You get your little bunker base set up. Right. This is actually a pretty stellar base. Okay. Triangles have more utilization than a square. A square has, uh, yeah, you can do all sorts of cool stuff with any of the bases in Rust. You can go out, you can go in, you can do stacked, you can do all sorts of cool stuff. There's billions now YouTubers who just do base videos. I want to focus mostly on my solo endeavors, my duos, trios, and stuff like that. People who they don't want to sit there and build out 500 squares, come back 1,000 squares, and then do all this crazy crap, right? You just want to get on the game and then you want to ruin somebody's day. That's it, right? Boom. This is your base, okay? You upgrade this to metal, stone, and this is just I'm expanding it out, right? The the customization with a triangle, I think personally is better than a square. So I like a pancake layer. So that's what I did here. You see how like this wood right here? So you just come out here, you put all your honeycomb out, and then you kind of turn it into a little pancake layer. Well, okay, let me stop sprinting around here. But this is kind of what I'm looking at right here, right? So you could from here, maybe you do just want to just keep it here's your honeycomb. You want to keep the honeycomb consistent. I understand that. So then you come over here and you do that, and now your back is all honeycombed, right? So um, now you're just a little bit stronger. And this is what I kind of came up with as far as like the core. You get your tier three, you get your couple, your six large boxes of storage, and then this is your upkeep. I mean, it's like a little more than three stone nodes. Not even of this is just for stone, and this is eight rockets. Um, you're looking at three stone nodes a day. Okay, you can do that. Anybody can do that. Hopefully, you don't keep it this way in the long run because you're gonna want to upgrade it to metal. Um, See, the thing is, now that I've done this, it might be kind of hard for you to upgrade this wall right here, particularly, and this foundation. So what I would do is I would leave this window off when you first get in here, um, to just be able to access this, because you're gonna want to obviously high qual this and then high qual this. So and then don't forget to high qual that. So um, that just a little FYI. But you know what? If I'm upgrading all this to high qual anyways at this moment, let's just go ahead and see what would this base cost in high qual. And I'm just gonna show you something that I think you might like. Um, Now, high qual is what we all kind of strive for. So, boom. All right, so we're full high qual, right? I don't know. Let's just whatever. Make that sheet metal for the shits and gigs. That means giggles. And then I'm gonna seal up this base. Bam. Now you're fully high qual, right? And then you know what? Just because for consistency's sake, we're gonna go over here and upgrade this back to sheet metal. And then I just gotta pick me up a little window. And I just want to kind of demonstrate what we're looking at. Let's say tier 3. We do have a tier 3 here, but we are on a build server, so whatever. Okay, so now we got our can I? Yep, there it goes. So here's our TC, and I can I click it? 51 high qual a day. You're looking at less than 3 stone nodes of you know, and then 64 metal. So that's pretty freaking doable. I'm not gonna lie. For this kind of bunker, okay? It's pretty cheap to build, and it's kind of cool actually. Now this is gonna stay open because you can't really put a door here. But if they're raiding you from the sides, it won't really matter. This could be an armored door. You could put another door here. You could, yeah, put another door here for consistency's sake. Make that whatever. And then, you know, there's all sorts of stuff. You don't have to have this wall here. You don't have to have this wall here. You could just make this metal and then this metal, and then, um, that would stop that from being just easy to raid into. But you got this. I guess really won't matter too much. This is all just me right now, currently, just kind of like being dumb, I guess. So, you have options here. You could make this a loot room. You could come over here and make this section here a loot room as well. Then you could come over here and say, you know what? Now I want to actually maybe seal this all in, and then I could put a door here. You got a door here, boom, and now you have this, and then you can put boxes all in here. You can do whatever you want here. You see what I'm saying? Like it's just adaptable to whatever you and your crew needs. Basically, it just starts off as this. So once you get your base set up, you find your TC spot, you build your TC, and then from here on, it's kind of whatever you want to do. You want to pop this out. If you want to seal this, you could. You could just say, you know what? I'm never going to use that. Boom. Or just take that out. You know what? I don't really need this extra space right here. We will keep this stone for right now. And then, you come out here and the entrance is I take the inspiration from Shots. He's a YouTuber. I really like this. His entrance is actually really cool. I don't, it makes more sense. It's easy. It's uniformed. Um, so I do take the inspiration from him. Now, I mean, whatever you want to do with this from here on out is up to you. So my video, I'm rambling on at this point. It's 8 minutes long. This is a base that you, maybe a couple other guys, you just want a consistent raid all across. Anytime that you're gonna have doors leading up to your core, if it's just doors, it's harder and it's more costly for you in the long run to have that than it is for you to make a bunker, and you can have doors leading up to your bunker. You don't have to do the square method or the circle. You could do three foundations, or yeah, three foundations here, and then you can go over here and you can make this your bunker. Actually, you would go down here. But you could do like a smaller loot room. You can make this, and then you can go off this. This could be your core. You could just have a bunker straight to your core. You can do anything you want with with the bunker. And so this is my video. I hope you liked it. Sorry about my last videos. I have had a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel. I meant to set them all to private because I was doing something, and my ADHD caught up to me, and I was deleting my videos. So that's on me. That's just a learning experience. I know that when you delete them, it is permanently deleted. And yeah, I know there's a little thing that pops up that says you are permanently deleting your videos. I still thought there was like a trash can that I could kind of pull back from. There's not. So, anyways, learning lessons. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I know it's a little bit long, but 10 minutes, we're good to go. Um, I'll see you guys on the next one. If you like this, please thumbs up. Please subscribe if you can. And I look forward to making many more videos about all those different kinds of cool stuff with the Rust. Anyways, thank you guys. Bye bye.